You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say.
I'm really glad you're here.
Talking loud,
You know, I was thinking the other day about those little plays we used to put on when we were little.
criticize, but all your bullets ricochet. You shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof.
Sometimes I feel like I was born at the wrong time. And I don't know. I guess I can't really help it if I found the guy I want to be with my first time out. Isn't that what it's all about? We're not out there looking for someone we want to be with forever.
I was also in love in high school. Sometimes love feels just in my heart. It doesn't fade.
For those who say they're too young, let me just say, how old do you have to be before your love is real?
Life's too short to play games. If you love somebody and you want to be with them, then go get them. Deal with the mess later. We don't know what tomorrow will bring. When something that's tragic and evil and unexplainable happens, like losing someone forever, I still wonder. It's too enormous to think about.
You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down,
Mom,
but I won't fall.
when I'm sad or mad or happy or whatever, I call
You
you.
shoot me down,
Baby, you are incredibly strong. Think about everything that you have faced, and no matter how difficult, you are always found yourself.
take my hand.